Peace, fam. Welcome back to another video with Credit Healing LLC. Today we're going to be discussing our affiliate program. Now, for those of you who do not know, we do have an affiliate program where you can get paid by simply referring people to us. Now, the process is very simple and very easy, but we're going to show you the demo of how you can utilize our software chest to be able to do so. Let's dive into it. Now, first, you're going to go to app.credithealing.org. That is app.credithealing.org. Okay, so once you go here, then you will then be redirected to our sign up page. Very simple. You'll put in your information. Let's just say Jack Johnson. Okay, and then we'll put maybe a fake email address. Let's say Jack Johnson at cct.com. I don't want to, someone may actually have that username. All right, then now we're going to create the password. All right, and then for those of you who want to be able to make money, which is you make $40 per person that you refer. Very simple and very easy. So all you have to do is click on this, toggle on to join our affiliate program, sign up now. Okay, so we are signing up, and what's going to happen is you're going to be redirected to your dashboard. In it, you can utilize our software to be able to refer people to us. Now, for those of you who need our credit healing services, I would highly recommend that you sign up for our services now, and you can do that right here. Now, in order to be able to opt in to be able to utilize our affiliate services, you have to be able to sign up for this particular aspect of the service. You don't have to sign up for everything completely. You don't have to even make a payment. However, you have to be able to enter your information in here, because this is how we're going to be able to track you as an affiliate. So we're going to just enter in some basic information. Let's say address 123 Street. Those of you who need credit monitoring, because it's very important for you to be able to monitor your credit, I would highly recommend that you complete all of these particular steps. Well, primarily step 1 and step 2, because I would say that if you have issues with your credit, or even if you don't have issues, but you may be cautious about your identity being stolen, then I would highly recommend that you sign up for Identity IQ here. But let's continue. One. Let's go to submit. Okay. So submit your $129 monthly for those of you who would like to opt in for our services, so we can help you improve the quality of your life by healing your credit. Then do the so here. So what we're going to do is, now since you have entered in your information, we're going to go to the affiliate. Okay, so this is very simple, very easy. For those of you who understand how to basically sign and put your information in, what you'll do is that you'll enter it right here. So let's say, for instance, if the person that you're referring name is Jesse Jackson. All right, and Jesse's email is jesse at let's say ccc.com. Let's just do that. All right, and then your name, Jack Johnson. If you have any comments, you can say, this is my seven. All right, you can also attach things here. So this is what's going to happen once you have submitted your information inside of our software. Then what's going to happen is that they're going to receive an email. So every person that you sign up here, they're going to receive an email, and then when they receive an email, they're going to receive a notification to opt in and create the password. Once they create the password and they make the payment, well, once they create the password, then we're going to be able to see on our end every person who is an affiliate in the program. And what's going to happen is that once that person submit their payment and we begin working on the person's credit, then we can see that you referred them. And then what we'll do is that we'll just pay you out via Cash App or Zelle. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to click here, refer a friend. Okay. So now it is successful. You have successfully referred your affiliate. Okay, so now you have referred your affiliate. Now, for those of you who are looking to make a lot of money, what we recommend you do is you can go to Fiverr and you can pay for leads. Okay, you can pay for American leads. Now, it's very simple. Once you pay for the leads, you have to get the first name, last name, and email address. Once you get this, then what's going to happen is that all you have to do is just upload it right inside of your portal. Once you do that, you go through the same process. Then once they sign up, you get paid $40 per person. Very simple and very easy. Now, for those of you who would like to do local marketing, we're going to delve into that as well as social media. Let's get into it. All right. So for those of you who would like to get into local marketing, whereas that you're marketing your services as an affiliate, then what's going to happen is that we can actually assign you and we can create your own landing page. And this is basically how the landing page will look. This is one of our affiliates. His name is Mark. And everything is right here. Testimonial results. And these videos are some of our testimonials, and it does not have our name or information inside of it. It just says Credit Healing. And so you can just tell people that you are an affiliate of Credit Healing and that you want to be able to help people improve the quality of their lives by improving their credit scores or increasing their credit scores. So inside of your landing page, all you have to do is refer the person to your link. So just send them your link, and then they'll come here and then they'll enter their full name, email address, and password, and message, if they have a message. So their full name and email. Now, what's going to happen is that for those of you who opt in for our affiliate program, you're going to receive an email notification that the person signed up. Okay. And when they sign up, then and you receive an email notification, they're going to also be redirected to our software chest. So they're going to be redirected here to this page. Okay. And then when they sign up, we're going to be able to see that they signed up under you. Okay. So it makes it very simple and very easy for you to be able to track your clients, and then for us to be able to track your clients for you. And so this is how our affiliate program works. Now, for those of you who want to do local marketing, what we can also do is we can provide you with a template for a local flyer. Inside of the template, basically all you have to do is print it out. You can use vistaprint.com. You can print it out, but inside, or at least on the flyer, there's going to be a QR code, right? So when you are passing the flyers around, let's say, for instance, if you're going to a convenience store or Walmart, whatever, you want to put it on side of, or put it on top of the cars, the windshields, or if you want to go to apartment complexes, you can actually go to apartment complexes and put it on doors and things like that. So it'll have your face, your name, and it's kind of like your brand. So we're really just whitelisting it, but we're promoting it as though that is you. Now, for those of you who say, well, I don't know about credit repair, how do I answer these questions? Well, you don't have to answer any questions, because on your landing page, as you have seen, there's going to be this 1-800 number, and this 800 number, they're going to call us, right, if they have any questions. Now, when they say, well, I had a flyer that was placed on my door, then we're going to tell them to just go to the website and then sign up and then access questions via the live chat. And we're going to show you the live chat as well. That's so you know that you can always communicate with us. Okay, so now once you log in, what you will do is that you will go down to live chat. It is free to use. And so once you do that, then you can basically communicate with us here. So if you have any questions about anything that's credit related, anything that's in regards to your affiliate or how you should market, you can do that right here and communicate with us, and it's live. So therefore, we will respond to you within a few minutes. Okay, so that's how you can communicate with us if you have any questions about anything. Last but not least, if you are looking to get financing, whether it's business or personal, if you're looking to build your business credit, build your personal credit, if you have debt that you need to remove, you can do literally everything that is related to credit right inside of Chess. Okay, and Chess simply means Credit Healing Engine and System Software. And so if you're looking to get a mortgage or whatever you're looking to do, you can do it right inside of Chess. So I hope that you all understand that we are a team and that we're looking to build our communities, and we're looking to do a lot of great things right inside of Chess, right? Because we want to be able to assist our people, and we want to be able to make a lot of money, and we can do that together by helping and aiding people in the field of credit. All right, so we appreciate you all taking time to watch our video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at contact@credithealing.org, or you can sign up for chess, and then you can just utilize our live chat and then contact us there. And also, if you're looking to improve the quality of your life by healing your credit, please go to www.credithealing.org. Peace.